Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can delete a bank rule in Xero, so let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and open the organization you want to manage. From the dashboard, go to the Bank Rules section. Now choose the bank account where the rule you want to remove is being used. Look for the Bank Rules option and open it. You'll see a list of all the bank rules currently set up for that account. Find the bank rule you want to delete, then select the checkbox or the Options menu next to the rule. Choose Delete and confirm the action when Xero asks you to. The bank rule will now be removed and will no longer be used when Xero matches or reconciles new transactions. Keep in mind that deleting a bank rule does not automatically delete transactions that were previously reconciled using that rule. It only removes the rule itself. And that's it. That's how you can delete a bank rule in Xero. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.